If you've ever struggled to sand tight corners, intricate trim, or hard-to-reach edges, a detail sander can make all the difference. In this video, we'll show you the best detail sanders available today, comparing their performance, features, and value to help you find the right one for your projects. Whether you're a DIYer or a seasoned woodworker, stick around until the end, and don't forget to check the links in the description box below for more details and the latest prices. Number 1 is the Bosch Professional GSS 18V10 Cordless Orbital Sander. This sander proves you don't need to spend big to get dependable sanding performance. Running on Bosch's trusted 18 volts battery platform, it's a natural fit if you already own compatible Bosch tools. Standout features include a rugged metal sanding pad, a secure clamping system, and a microfilter dust box that keeps debris under control. While built to handle professional demands, it's just as welcoming to DIYers, offering interchangeable sanding plates and a compact, comfortable design. Since no battery or charger is included, current Bosch users save money, while newcomers will need to factor in that extra cost. Either way, it's a precise, reliable choice. Number 2 is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Orbital Detail Sander. Built for pros who need precision in tight spots, this detail sander pairs perfectly with larger sanders already on the job site. Its Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence remove material up to 2x faster than sanding by hand, while the 1.5mm Orbit delivers a smooth, stain-grade finish. The shaped pad reaches sharp edges and tight corners with ease, and at just 1.3 pounds, it's remarkably easy to maneuver. A 4-speed trigger, built-in LED light, and counterweight system for reduced vibration round out the package, plus a 5-year warranty and compatibility with all M12 batteries. Number 3 is the WORX WX820L Cordless Sander, a true multitasker on the job site. Rather than juggling 5 separate tools, you get them all combined in one compact unit. Its large orbital radius tackles heavy-duty projects with aggressive, precise debris removal, while the tool-free pad chain system and hyperlock mechanism keep pads locked in place and swaps hassle-free. ModeMax technology ensures full power is maintained no matter which configuration you're using, making it easy to adapt across materials and tasks. Lightweight and comfortable to handle, it also offers variable speed control for fine-tuning your approach. Affordable, versatile, and efficient, ideal for both woodworking and delicate surface work. Number 4 is the RYOBI PCL 416B Cordless Finish Sander. Purpose-built for tackling tight, detailed spaces, its compact triangular base isn't the fastest option out there, but it more than makes up for it with outstanding control and maneuverability. Running at 11,000 orbits per minute, it removes material efficiently, while an ergonomic grip keeps things comfortable during longer sessions. A hook and loop attachment system makes swapping pads fast and simple. Dust collection isn't built in, but the sander can connect to a shop vac accessory for cleaner operation. Great for trim work in tricky corners, this compact, dependable sander suits DIYers and pros alike. Number 5 is the SKIL SR232301 Multifunction Detail Sander, our top pick for value. It performs like pricier models but costs far less. A 1.2 amps motor churns out 13,500 orbits per minute for smooth, efficient results, while its 4-in-1 design includes 3 swappable attachments for edges, corners, and contours, no tools needed for changes. A microfiltration system paired with a vacuum-ready dust port helps maintain a cleaner workspace, and since the soft rubber grip cuts down on vibration for comfortable, extended use. For DIYers and hobbyists wanting pro-level performance without the pro-level price, this sander delivers exactly that. Number 6 is the BLACK+DECKER BDEM 600 Detail Sander, a compact option built for reaching tight, tricky spots. Its 1.2 amps motor spins at 16,000 orbits per minute, making short work of detail sanding tasks. A 3-position grip boosts comfort and control during longer projects, while the compact frame and included detail finger attachment make it easy to handle trim work and furniture details. The microfiltration dust system helps keep your workspace tidy, and since it's corded, you get unlimited runtime for bigger jobs. A hook and loop system simplifies sandpaper swaps too. Not meant for heavy-duty work, but a reliable, budget-friendly pick for lighter DIY sanding tasks. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best detail sanders. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect tool for your woodworking or DIY projects. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below for more details, the latest prices, and our top recommendations.